Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee here. How are you doing today? Today is a little mini haul. This is an item that was on special that I have been wanting for a while, and I had to hold off when it first came on sale. It was Ivana from My Pursuit of Happiness. I saw her do a unboxing, reveal, review, mini first impressions, and I really wanted it, but I couldn't afford it at that time. I was also, I think, was that right at the beginning of it might have been in December. So I was anticipating denim season to come out. So I was trying to hold off. I was good, but it came out now. And so I was able to get it. This I got some time ago, and I will have to give you information of when I opened it or ordered it. And I believe this is the one I got from eBay. Yeah, I think it's from Dooney Bourke, but online eBay. Yes, yeah, I got it from online eBay. All right, I'll be right back, and we'll get started with the first unboxing. Okay, Bean Beauties, we're gonna start with the little one. I will give you details on the screen as far as when it was purchased and how much everything was, because I don't have it at the tip of my fingers to be able to get to it. And I am trying to do this quick tonight. I'm very tired. So there is what we had, what it looks like. There's 2 items in here. Just 2 SLGs. Yeah, no stickers either. I got these. It doesn't have, oh, it does have the price. Either I Love Dooney or Dooney.com was having a sale on their SLGs, and this was back in December. So I had purchased these December the 7th. They didn't have the color that I wanted. I already had the other colors, and so they didn't have these. So I just happened to say, well, let me go check eBay on I Love Dooney store on eBay. They have free shipping no matter what the price is. So I was able to get these both. Each one was $29, and I was able to get the colors that I wanted, because they're not the season colors that they had. And so it was this tartan. I don't have this color in the tartan, so I was able to get this color, which this color is called the white. So it's a small coin case. Here's the front, the side, the back, the other side. And I think y'all are all pretty much familiar with these. It has a zipper pocket here for some coins or what have you. It has a slit pocket back here, and then it has the center here that also has the key hook here, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got the red on the inside. So I definitely wanted this to be in my collection, and I didn't want to pay, wanted to get it on sale, and they had it on eBay. I Love Dooney eBay, and got free shipping. So that was the first one that I purchased. And then here is the second one. So this is a small coin case in the navy. And I didn't have a navy in this one. Oh, did I have the navy, the tartan in this one? Gosh, I don't remember. Sorry. Here's the tartan in the navy as well too. Oh, I have other pieces in the navy. I think I have the bigger wallet in the navy, but not the coin purse. So here's the front, the side, just like the white one, the back. I like it. Okay, so let me go get the big box. I'll be right back. Hey, Bean Beauties, we're back. I got this one because Dooney was having a sale at the beginning, and I think it's still going on, of April. I couldn't pass this up. I've been wanting this silhouette for a while. There we go. But I was trying to be really good, was trying not to overextend myself. And I was like, well, when it comes back at a good price, then I'll get it. And here it is. I don't know if y'all can tell from there. Here is my invoice. I just like to check for, nope, 3 things that I unboxed, no stickers. I just don't understand. I don't understand. This is from I Love Dooney. This is the mini Barlow and caramel, however. So it's, the sale price is $125 is what the sale price. I'm not sure what the code is. This actually is a numbered piece. Then the piece is 36 out of 50. I did a little short about what the numbered piece is, and when you find the yellow sticker, so if you want a little bit more, go do this, find my short. You can check that out. So see, here is the numbered piece. Okay, Bean Beauty, so this is the mini Barlow. Here's the front. Here is the side. Here is the back. Here is the other side. And here is the bottom. And, there we go. So yeah, I saw the mini Barlow. I saw Ivana from My Pursuit of Happiness. I had told y'all earlier that she had purchased a mini Barlow. I just really, really enjoyed it. I saw her and I liked it. She got this color. Oops. She got this color, and I also, I liked it, and I really liked it in this color. It has these little foamy things that they put in here to keep the structure of it. I like the waviness it has here. I don't know if that stays over time or not. This actually feels very similar to the Rogue, the Coach Rogue that I opened up. Let's see, I opened it up maybe last week. I did a video on it. So it feels very similar because it has the center pocket and the 2 side pockets. Here is the inside right there. And it has, the setup on here is it has, in this back wall here, it has 1 zipper pocket back here. And then it has the slit pocket here. On the inside, the handles, see, are sewn into the inside here. So you can probably push, yeah, you can push these down when you're crossbodying it inside the cover. I don't know how much, once you put your items in, I don't know how much room you'll have, but that's an option. Let me see if it'll come on to this side. I don't know if, let's see. Oh yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think it just a little tip. So you can also tuck it on the outside pocket. So if you don't use the outside pockets, because I have heard a lot of people that don't use the outside pockets, they just use the center, and then you can carry it as a crossbody. And if you carry it as a crossbody, then your handles will be tucked into that. So you have an option, you know, tucking them into the outside pockets or tucking them into the inside. So you can get them away if you want a little bit of cleaner look. So that's a good option there to have. Now let me show you what the outside, this is the front outside pocket. It has a small card slot pocket here where you can put credit cards, business cards, whatever kind of little cards you want there. Then on the back wall, you have a pocket here, and it's just the one compartment. There are no slip pockets or anything in there. Now, the side pockets don't go all the way down. They probably just go to right here, so it's a shorter pocket than the inside pocket. Okay, so today I have this, and the two tartan pieces. 1, 2. Okay, Bean Beauties, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And this is my first mini Barlow that I have actually unboxed. You know what that means? That means I probably have something somewhere that nobody has seen yet. And I probably haven't, well, I haven't played with her yet either. So we won't talk about it. We are not talking about it. We are not talking about it, y'all. Nope, 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 nope. Don't even ask. Don't even ask. All right, Bean Beauties. Love y'all. Bye-bye.